Okay, let's dive right into this explainer covering Alphabet's massive Q1 2026 financial report. So if you've been following the tech space over the last few years, you already know the narrative has been totally dominated by artificial intelligence. But, the biggest question on literally every investor and technologist's mind has been this. When does all that massive, crazy spending on AI actually turn into tangible profits? Well, Alphabet just gave us the answer. And honestly, it completely redefines the scale of modern enterprise tech. I really want to hit you with the sheer scale of this right out of the gate. Look at this number, nearly $110 billion in Q1 revenue alone. Just to put that into perspective for a second, we're talking about a company generating over $1 billion in revenue every single day. But what's truly mind-blowing here is that this represents an explosive 22% year-over-year growth. For a company of Alphabet's sheer size to actually accelerate its growth by 22% in a single quarter, that's historic. It proves their core businesses aren't just mature and stable, they are actively expanding at an incredibly aggressive rate. And this brilliantly illustrates that the growth we're seeing isn't just top-line vanity metrics. Anybody can buy revenue if they spend enough money, but Alphabet's operating income jumped from $30.6 billion in Q1 2025 to almost $39.7 billion in Q1 2026. That is a 28% leap. This absolutely cements their massive operational efficiency. They aren't just making more money, they're keeping a significantly higher percentage of it. They fundamentally figured out how to scale these new AI technologies without letting their costs spiral out of control. So here's our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. The big numbers. 2. Cloud and AI synergy. 3. Search remains king. 4. Waymo hits the gas. And 5. The future and takeaways. All right, moving into section 1, the big numbers. Let's look at the macro financials. I want you to treat this number like a high score in a video game, because in the corporate world, it basically is. Alphabet's net income didn't just grow, it skyrocketed by 81% year over year, landing at over $62.5 billion for the quarter. Let that sink in. An 81% increase in pure profit for one of the largest companies on planet Earth. This completely shatters any lingering doubts about tech sector stagnation. It shows us a leaner, faster, and highly optimized Alphabet that is currently firing on all cylinders. So the crucial point is figuring out what exactly drove this monumental success. Where is all this incredible new momentum actually coming from? Well, that question leads us straight into the beating heart of their modern infrastructure, Google Cloud. Section 2, Cloud and AI Synergy. It's time to talk about hyperscaling AI. The compounding effect we're seeing here is just wild. Notice that 63% revenue growth for Google Cloud? That is what hyperscaling looks like in action. But honestly, perhaps the most important leading indicator on this slide is that $460 billion backlog. That is contracted, locked-in future revenue from enterprise clients who are committing to Google's infrastructure for the long haul. And why are they committing? Because Gemini Enterprise paid monthly active users just jumped 40% quarter over quarter. Businesses are actively adopting and paying for Google's foundational AI models. To ground this abstract AI technology in reality, let's look at the actual compute usage. Alphabet's infrastructure is now processing over 16 billion tokens per minute. That's a 60% jump from just last quarter. For a little context, a token is essentially a piece of a word processed by a large language model. Processing 16 billion of them every 60 seconds proves that AI has totally moved from the testing phase into heavy, everyday production. Enterprises are using these models around the clock to write code, analyze massive data sets, and serve their customers. Now let's move to the legacy foundation and see how it builds into this whole AI narrative. Because, let's face it, we can't talk about Alphabet without talking about the undisputed heavyweight champion of the internet, Google Search. Section 3, Search Remains King. Let's explore this AI-powered dominance. The numbers here tell a story of total, undeniable dominance. Search and other revenues climbed 19% year over year. Think about that. That is phenomenal growth for a product that already commands over 90% of the global market. So what's driving this? It's being directly driven by first-party models and Gemini API usage integrated seamlessly into the search experience. Alphabet didn't let AI disrupt search. They used AI to make search infinitely more valuable. Furthermore, they're monetizing their user base incredibly well, boasting a massive base of 350 million paid subscriptions across their ecosystem. This ties together Google One, YouTube, and their AI services into a deeply entrenched, recurring revenue stream. Okay, pivoting away from the screen and onto the streets. Let's talk about a project that has literally been in the works for over a decade and is finally becoming a futuristic reality: Waymo. Section 4. Waymo hits the gas as we enter real-world scale. I'm just going to drop the mic on this metric right here. Waymo is currently completing over 500,000 fully autonomous rides every single week. Let me really emphasize that. Fully autonomous, no safety driver in the front seat, just software, sensors, and AI navigating complex city streets 500,000 times a week, safely and efficiently. This marks a massive inflection point. Waymo has officially crossed the threshold from an expensive R&D project into a highly scalable operational, commercial logistics and transportation network. Section 5, the future and takeaways. What exactly is the AI dividend? This comparison right here proves a super vital point. Look at the research and development spending, $17 billion in a single quarter. That is a colossal, aggressive bet on the future of AI, custom silicon, and infrastructure. But look right below it. That $17 billion investment is paying off exponentially, yielding over $62.5 billion in net income. Alphabet is effectively printing money fast enough to fund the most expensive technological arms race in human history, all while still returning record-breaking profits to their bottom line. And even with that heavy spending on data centers, compute power, and top-tier engineering talent, their operating margins actually expanded. They went from 33.9% in Q1 2025 to 36.1% in Q1 2026. This is the holy grail of business. It proves they are growing incredibly fast, but they are doing it efficiently, not recklessly. They're squeezing more value out of every single dollar they spend, proving that the AI dividend is very, very real, and Alphabet is uniquely positioned to collect it. So what we're witnessing here is a foundational shift in how enterprise tech operates, driven by real, scalable AI. The ultimate question now isn't whether AI is profitable. It's how companies who aren't Alphabet are going to survive against a $62.5 billion quarterly war chest. If you found this deep dive valuable, please hit that like button, share it, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more science behind the AI headlines. Thanks so much for watching, and keep learning.